Look how high the snow is. Look at my feet. Can you guys see? So I'm getting ready to clean off my car. Excuse me, I just got up. I'm looking crazy, I know. I didn't think that the snow was this bad until I came outside. Oh my gosh. But yeah, I'll try and record the process of me trying to clean off my car. I don't know, because it's a lot of work. Hey you guys, so look at this. This literally is insane. It happened overnight. Do you see all the snow? This is crazy. Oh my gosh, like all the snow. This literally overnight, I swear. Yeah. Oh my gosh, wait, let me guys show you my car. It is like covered. Look at my car. Look at all this snow on my car. This is crazy, you guys. She's enjoying the snow. She loves it. As you guys can see, she freaking loves the snow. So she's just out here eating it and all types of stuff. Running around, playing. Look at her, licking her lips. She loves the snow. Look at Pepper's arms. Look how deep they are. This is crazy. Look at this. Okay, so this is me trying to clean my car. Okay, one side down. I don't know how I'm gonna get up there, but I'm trying to do this side now. Okay. Pepper's running around here. Being silly. Snow day. Are you doing snowballs?
Snowball! Yeah! 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 Hi!
Oh, look at that. It's so pretty. We're snowed in, but all the snow is super duper pretty. And of course, they're having so much fun. Hold on, can you see? I don't know. But yeah, this is my son and Pep. But yeah, I didn't really want anything. This was just a quick little post. Just wanted to show y'all how snowed in we were. Like, we literally had to dig my car out because it was like stuck. Oh, let me get a thumbnail. But yeah, so didn't want anything, just wanted to show you guys like how much snow we got. We got about 14 inches overnight. Like, I know that's crazy. So 14 inches overnight. But yeah, so we had to dig my car out. It was like really stuck really bad in the snow. Oh, it's cold out here, but I'm kind of sad because we didn't get snow for Christmas, so the snow is really late. But yeah, If you are new to the channel, make sure that you hit that like button and make sure that you subscribe. And you are more than welcome to leave a comment down below. Just make sure that you leave a nice comment. I love you guys so much, and thank you for watching this video. And I hope you guys are staying safe out here. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Ricky, you want to say bye?
Bye to the next video, Pepper.
Say see you in the next video.
See you to the next video.
Okay, Pepper. Say bye. See you in the next video. Pepper. Say bye. See you in the next video. She is silly. Okay, bye guys.